Fred here with Equalizer Systems, and today we're going to show you how to connect your smartphone with our Smart-Level Keypad. First thing you need to do is download the app. EQ Smart-Level is the name of the app. Once you download the app, make sure your Bluetooth is on. Find devices. Once it finds the device, you drag this down to this box. It will ask you to connect the keypad with the phone. Follow the instructions on your phone. Make sure the power is off. Press the left and right arrows up for roughly 10 seconds. It will beep. Now you enter your PIN, whatever 4-digit PIN you would like. Press OK. Now the phone will mirror the keypad. You can press power. The phone will turn on. The lights on the keypad will turn on. You can auto level. You can all retract. Everything you can do from the keypad, you can do directly from your phone.